What does it feel like to be a Black middle school student? We know Black students are more likely to be sent to the principal's office, suspended, or even expelled. But how do these disciplinary actions change over the course of the school year? This sound represents the Black discipline rate. When it's faster, the discipline rate is higher. Here is what the Black discipline rate sounds like from the beginning of the school year through Thanksgiving break. By November, the Black discipline rate is 10 times higher than what it was at the beginning of the year, and 50 times higher than the white discipline rate at the beginning of the year. One can't help but wonder how that growing inequity impacts the extent to which Black students feel valued, and whether it makes them feel like they don't belong at all.